Welcome to your service desk, the central hub for managing your team's workload. Let's dive in and explore its key features. The ticket list is where you'll find all your tickets. You can filter tickets by technician, status, priority, and schedule. The hamburger menu in the top left corner allows you to customize your view and export data. When you click on a ticket, you'll see detailed information, including ticket details, priority, assignee, followers, and due date. Ticket type categorizes the ticket based on its nature. Service contact specifies the customer or location. Summary and description provides a clear overview of the issued tasks and attachments. Lists any associated tasks or files. Bill of materials to charge specific line items based on the job. Link tickets to relate or connect tickets together. The Kanban board is a visual tool that helps you manage your workflow. You can drag and drop tickets between columns to update their status. The columns typically include open, new tickets that haven't been assigned yet, pending, tickets that are currently being worked on, resolved, tickets that have been completed, others, a customizable column for specific ticket statuses. The calendar view gives you a visual representation of your scheduled tickets. You can view your schedule by day, week, or month. The resource timeline shows you which technicians are available and when. By effectively using the service desk, you can improve your team's efficiency, prioritize tasks, and deliver exceptional customer service.